What's up, everyone? Alright, so today I am in my X5M and I'm very curious to know what happens when I press the start-stop button while driving. Alright, well, let's find out. Okay, we're doing 40. There's no key, as you can see. Here we go. Nothing. Oh, okay, so if you press it twice. Now it's hold it. Yep, see, so if you hold it, it kills it. And if you press it again, it comes back on. And it throws it in neutral. The X5M, it's equipped with the electronic emergency brake. We are going to press it while we're driving and see what happens. Let's see. So we're doing 40 miles an hour. Let's go ahead and press it. One more time. It comes on park and brake, and it hits the pedal, but it doesn't stop it all the way. Like before it engages, it fills it. Alright, so that was a little different. Alright, so let's try this one more time, just so you guys can see this view. 1, 2, 3, hit it. Yeah. It like jerks the car real quick, and then it notices it's rolling, so it releases it right away.